Hi, buddy. What the heck? Hey, girl. Are you hungry? You hungry? Here. Here. Yeah, good girl. You hungry? Good girl. Good girl. Here. Here. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. You're okay. You're okay. Here, you want some more treats? One sec. It's so cold. Here. Oh. Here. There you go. Good girl. Vision problems? Here. Over there. Can you get it? Oh no. You're tangled this way. Here. Here you go. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. It's over there. Do you see it? Right there. Right here. 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 Good girl. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Here, this way. Here. Yeah, good girl. Here. You're okay. Yeah, good girl. You want more? Here. No. I got treats, but you gotta come over here. Yeah, good girl. Here, can I come this way? Good girl. Almost there. Almost got you. Almost there. Here you go. You want a treat? Good girl. Good girl. Here, there's treats over there. No, don't tingle more. Did you get all of them? Here, you want some treats? Come on, girl. Come on, good girl. Good girl. You're free. Good girl. Here, let's get warm. No. Right here. Up. Good girl. There's more treats in there. Go ahead. Here you go. Yeah. Up. Right here. Here you go. Here. Go get it. Yeah, there's treats right here. You want some more? Go ahead. It's warm in here. Come on, good girl. Yeah, good girl. You got it. You got it. Good girl. Come on. You're almost there. What about down here? Come on. Go get it, little one. Yeah, good girl. Go ahead. It's warm in here. You can go in, get more treats. We're almost there. Is it good? Here. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Right there. Good girl. Yeah, we got it. You're a good girl, but you can't eat all of them. You can't eat all of them. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yeah, is it warm in here, little girl? Say, you are starving, huh? You feel better in here? You're so cold and hungry, huh? Let's get you home and see what we can do for you. She's just chilling. Ready for the ride. Just hanging out there. Alright. We are home and she's chilling. So we can get her skate. Let's see if she doesn't chill. Hey girl. Yeah, it's not. It's cool. It's a good time. Not seeing anything. No shit. Alright girl, you wanna go inside? Go check out the place. She's wagging her tail like she knows what home is and shit. She's so funny. She's literally been coming. You mind going inside? Here, right here. Let's go inside. Good girl. Come on. Yeah. Good girl.
Wow, you're a mess.
That's Kelly. Here, she loves food.
Okay. You look like a little grandma.
All right, so now we got him by a heater. He's chilling with Kelly. And we're gonna try to get these mats out and get them cleaned up before taking them to the rescue. So first we brush them, try to get the mats out. Brushing out the mats, trying to make them feel better. Because I'm sure it doesn't feel very good, huh, little dude? Let's see how many we can get out brushing. Are you getting all brushed? Does that feel good?
Please don't help me.
She's
Oh, he's go.
Oh, you're doing so good. You're being such a good boy. Are you comfy, buddy? We're taking a little break from giving it all his mats. And needless to say, he likes baths. But yeah, Kelly got a lot of his mats out, so now it's time to finally bathe him. Aw, he's so itty bitty. The water's probably warm. Does it feel good? Yeah, does it feel nice and warm for you, buddy? And now that our whole house smells, we're gonna dry him off. And now he's happy. Are you all clean? Are you all clean? Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Do you feel better? Do you feel better? My gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you feel better? Like other dogs. Well, sorry, dude. You're not one that's gonna stick around. We're gonna take you to your rescue right now. Say bye to Sophie. Say bye, Sophie. All right, come on a little bit, Junior. Now that your hair is all off, you gotta keep it warm. You need to put your jacket on, because it's cold out there. Yeah, put your jacket on. On your way out. Oh my gosh. You ready, buddy? Alright, let's go. And now we got little dude to the rescue so that he can get all 100% cleaned up. A little bit better.